Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can prevent other people from downloading videos you upload on your TikTok profile. So it's very simple. I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. It's not going to take even a minute to do this. Let's get going with the procedure. To do this, let's move to our settings here. You can see the settings here. Let's choose settings and privacy. Good. So on here, you're going to find something like this under privacy because you don't want people to get access to something of yours. So here, and then we scroll down here to interactions here because download is in the interaction section. So good. You can see my downloads are turned on for this account. So I'll just have to turn it off and I'm good to go. So they are saying if you allow people to download your videos or share your videos to other platforms, but then if you turn this off, people can't download your videos, but then they can share your video. So if they have a link of your video, they can use third-party sites to download it, but then on TikTok they can't just long press and then download it. So now let's turn it off here. Good. So that's it. We turn it off. So this means if they see a video of mine on their TikTok wall and then they long press, they are not going to get the download section like that unless they use a third-party website to download my TikTok videos. So that's it on how you can block people from downloading your TikTok videos. If you are new here, you do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.